We've all been there. We're clicking around in Power BI, pulling our hair out trying to understand a measure. Our DAX formula looks like it was written by aliens. The chart isn't showing what it's supposed to, and just when we're about to give up, boom, we figure it out. We crack the code, we fix the visual, we write a DAX formula that actually works. And suddenly our dashboard lights up, the data moves, the filters snap. We didn't just build a report. We performed magic. For a moment, we're not a data analyst, we're a wizard, we whisper. Things like calculate, filter, and all selected and the numbers obey. Our coworker walks past and sees our screen. How do you make it do that? We just nod like Gandalf with a mouse. It's just a bit of DAX, we say, like it's no big deal. But inside we're buzzing. We replay the steps. We admire the dashboard like it's our creation because it is, we built it. From confusion, from Googling, from trial and error. And now it works. That's the high no one tells you about. Power BI isn't just about charts and KPIs. It's about unlocking powers you didn't know you had. And once you taste that wizard moment, you'll keep learning just to feel it again. So what's the secret? How do you get good at Power BI? Is it really that simple? Well, almost. You just got to click this button right here. No, seriously, it's not that simple. It takes time. It takes practice. It takes patience. It also helps to have someone to guide you, to show you the tricks, to give you tips and shortcuts. Someone like me. I've been using Power BI for a while now, and let me tell you, it wasn't easy in the beginning. I spent countless hours watching tutorials, reading documentation, and still I felt lost. Then I found a mentor who took me under his wing and taught me the ropes. He showed me how to write measures, how to create calculated columns, how to build relationships between tables. He also taught me how to think like a data analyst, how to ask the right questions, how to extract insights from the data. With his help, I was able to land my first job as a data analyst, and I can tell you that knowing Power BI was a game changer. Now I want to pay it forward. I want to be that mentor for someone else. I want to help you become the wizard you were meant to be. So sign up for my free newsletter, and every week I'll send you a dose of Power BI goodness, tips, tricks, tutorials, and more. Plus, you'll get access to my private community where you can ask questions, share your work, and get feedback. Don't wait. Sign up today and start your journey to becoming a Power BI wizard.